Hey, you.
Hi.
What's your name?
Evie.
How old are you?
5.5.
Yeah. What are you playing with?
Gun.
Don't let that get in your hair.
I'm
What were you telling me the other day about princesses?
I'm too old.
Well, look at me and tell me what you said. What did you say?
I'm too old.
You're too old for princesses? Why do you think that?
Because Gabby told me.
Gabby told you that? Here, take your gum out, sweetie. Well, how old is Gabby?
6.
Well, she's older than you, isn't she?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're too old for princesses? How come?
Because I'm 5.5.
Well, what are you into then instead?
Babies.
You do like babies.
No, ear piercing.
Ear piercing.
Mm-hmm.
Don't grow up too fast, okay?
Gabby has her ears pierced.
Yeah. Don't grow up too fast, okay?
When can I get my ears pierced?
The day before your 8th birthday.
No, on my 7th birthday.
Day before your 8th.
No, on my 7th.
Day before your 8th.
7th birthday.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Look at me. Goodbye.
Bye.